Hi everyone, this is Kdlex Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from the TikTok compilation of Kdlex Part 13. Nakakaloka, day. Part 30 na tayo. Sa totoo lang, Part 30 na talaga. Hindi na talaga ito mapipigilan. So kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next new upload. Without further ado, all you have to do is just sit down, relax. Umpisahan na natin to, and let's all watch this. Kdlex Endgame. Wait lang, basahin muna natin. Alexa, read comments. May nabasa siyang compliment ng Alexa. Mapakasar Ilacad. Oh! Yes! Yes! May KD siya. Diba? Ano ngayong basher? Ano? Guwapo ni KD. Nakasanto siya. Eh! Nabitin ako. Ang ganda na kanta, na carried away ako. Alexa, why do you always kiss my
Why? So, give me a
It's still guys. Oh. Oh.
When I'm asleep, then you
Just kiss me a lot. All of a sudden.
and like, oh, always interrupting my sleep.
I love the song constantly. Okay, always interrupting my sleep. Okay. Uy, medyo napaluha ako doon. Naalala ko naman yung bit. Wait lang. Okay, yung Alexa, may go against.
Parang lahat yung house. That's like, so kasi you know, absence. That's the thing. Absence makes the
God, adore me. So perfect.
I hate absence.
I hate absence.
I love this.
Kasi I heard no, like when I saw you, you had a nap. So concerned. I was about to cross the line.
I look.
I needed to.
When I
Kasi
opened the
kinailangan.
door, really standing outside.
Really standing out. Yeah.
Just standing outside, and I couldn't talk to you, so I just closed the door again. And then the TJ was like, "Hindi read the whole night waiting for you." I
Oh.
was like,
Oh.
Actually, nung last day of the tower building thing natin tayo pwede something.
"Oh, napagalitan ako ni Kuya."
Why?
Pagalitan niya ako kasi I was trying to fan you, you remember?
Yeah.
Because you were so init na init, and you guys didn't have any copying boards. And I felt so bad seeing you sweat, and I was like, oh, Nana, I wanna fan him. So I was trying to fan you.
Oh my God!
Kuya was like, bawal any interaction. I was like, oh,
But they found a way.
I wanna fun you!
that's fun for you, my darling.
Wait.
Once a cheater, always a cheater.
Yeah. You can't justify cheating. People try to justify cheating, but like, for me, like, why? You can't justify cheating.
So no, it's hard to generalize because maybe some past cheaters really
Ganda pala
did
nila
cheat
mag-live,
and are
no?
now
May
not
matututunan
cheaters.
ka.
But that's like 1 in a million. If yes, changed really, good for you.
Good for you.
Good for you. But yeah, that's really 1 in a million.
Diba? Hindi lang sila basta nagla-live, nag-chika-chika. May matututunan ka pa pala. Bakit?
A gentleman, he loves my dogs, and my mother loves him. So confirm, mahal niya. Confirm. Yun talaga yung gusto ko. Okay, Kdlex, okay na. Happy kayo, di ba? Sige nga ako ikaw.
Because she is caring, she's understanding, and my family loves her.
Ayoko na! Alora tayo na lang. Chucks! Okay. Okay. Kaya ko to. Ay.
Now it's just you and me.
Hi!
Just you and me.
Hi!
You're so weird.
Hey, baby.
Ay! Katie malandi ka! Pero kinikilig ako. I love it! Uy, I love the song also, Just the Two of Us.
Oh, make a wish. Alexa, make a wish. Ay, ang bilis ng wish ko. Nandiyan na pala sa tabi ko.
Ay, last na yan
Parang tanga to.
Makasama yan ang panalangin ko.
Okay. Uy, ang ganda ng video na to. Ang ganda ng compilation.
But you don't take care of the things that you say, a little bit too much.
Wait lang. Ito yung gusto ko. Yung maraming dal-dal-dal-dal. Yung hindi puro slide. Okay na naman yung slideshow. Pero mas maganda din yung nagsasalita sila. Tapos may background music. I love this. I really love this.
My girl. Joke lang. My boyfriend for today's video. Miss, I love you. Ano kayo maingay? Ito na naman tayo eh.
Cutie. Uy, ang ganda. Aya
What song is
shout
that?
out.
Something I wrote before. I knew na when I wrote that song, madededicate ko lang siya sa tao na naman.
Hinihintay ko yun eh.
Ika'y nakikinig sa kantang ito para sa'yo.
Yung IG stories niya, yan yung tunog talaga. Sure yan.
Sigaw sa hangin
Or inedit. Yan ah.
sa bituin.
Oh,
Sana'y sumasabay
oh yan.
ka rin.
Himlay. Pas.
When me and Lex were just looking at each other, sabi ko, pwede ito ah.
Nagdi-disco yung background ko, guys. Sorry. Okay.
Favorite Disney love song?
All those
Ay, napanood ko to.
living in a blur.
Bumalik.
All that time, never truly see
Promising siya, no?
things the way they were.
Bago siya magteatro.
Thinking
May kwento ang boses niya.
Now she's here, suddenly I see. If she's here, it's crystal clear where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light, and it's like fog is lifted. And at last I see the light.
Napanood ko na itong video na to, pero...
Day's a dream when I'm carrying your love with me.
Marno Mortel. Marno ba? Okay. Okay.
Lalagyan ko ng asin, tama? Lalagyan.
Yes, yung kanin para maluto. Talaga
Sure.
ba?
Sot. Iba po ng kanin.
Superstitious beliefs yan, di ba?
And then, tatakpan. Okay po. Noted po. Hala ka! Naunat na kanin? Hala ka! Nalagyan ko ng
Wait,
asin yung kanin.
yung kanin, hindi yung kaldero. Tama ba? Tama.
Hala!
Yung kanin yung nilagyan niya mismo.
Yung takip lang pala.
Oo, yung takip. Yung takip ng Alexa.
Yung nilagyan ko. Sa takip ilalagay? Literally sa takip? Like that?
Oo, like that. Like that.
Really?
Yes!
Ayoko na. Hindi pa ako pwede mag-asawa. Ganyan ba? Yung takip talaga?
Pwede na, haler.
Tama ba yun?
Maganda
Actually,
siya.
sinukat ko naman yung water sa rice. Tama naman siya. Kaso, di ba 1:2? Tama naman yon. Kaso kasi, dahil hindi siya sa rice cooker na luluto,
When is it?
hindi ko gamay paano gamitin
Ako dito.
yung pot.
Kamay lang
Tapos
ako.
parang amoy sunog na. So, nilagyan ko ng water.
Yan, yan.
So, nadagdagan yun. Hindi 1:2?
Hindi.
My life has been a lie. Who said that? Lalo na pagbago ang bigas.
Oo. Basa yan, girl.
1:1?
Basa yan, girl. Lugaw. Kakain ka ng lugaw for today's video.
Papalingan mo na nga yung kanin. Galingan.
Saan ito makikita, guys?
Kain ko yung asin sa ibabaw. Parang ang ganda-ganda niya naman. Oh, fluffy. Look at that.
Lugaw yung girl.
Ayun, pag brown rice, 1:2. Yun kasi sa bahay, black rice kami, kaya 1:2. Ano na lang. Yung kada kulay, iba.
Saan to? Kumu to? Kita?
Huwag kong haluin, hinalo ko nga.
Bakit ito?
Lagyan na lang nilang tubig, ilugaw na lang nila.
Tama, lugaw na yan, girl. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, lugaw talaga yan.
Sticky rice to. Biko talaga to. Biko yan. Pala naman, oh. Put a loaf of bread.
Ay, totoo yan.
Lagay ko yan dito. Ano yan?
Oo, sisip-sipin ata ng bread yan.
Ayoko na. Okay ka na dyan. Wala ka sa buhay mo.
Oo,
Okay,
no. Ay,
so babalikan
try ko
natin
nga yan.
ang
Kasi
hugasan
minsan
ko.
lata yung ano ko.
Dito ako nagluto ng kanin.
Ito na kanina, putol na. Okay, what's next?
Okay, you ever doubted my genuineness?
Never. Honestly, never. Not once.
Ako din, never ako nag-doubt talaga sa kanilang dalawa. Kaya nga ako naging Kdlex, naging sweethearts eh. Kasi brothers and sisters pa lang sila talaga. Nakuha talaga nilang loob ko. And wait lang, sila ata yung first love team na kinilig talaga ako ng todo sa tandang punto ah. Aside kinari ko yan. Actually.
The things you do, then I'm like, oh.
Kahit si KD siniship dati kay Angie, hindi ako kinikilig. Kay KD and ano ako eh, Alexa.
Not by 99 times. You're the same, but more.
Yes!
The same, but more. Like,
Same.
how you were so caring inside and very affectionate, and you're still the same.
Nag-uusap-usap na kayo, pag titingnan mo siya, pag gumagawa kayo ng music together, naisip mo pa na parang may chance. May mga ganun ka bang inkling before?
Oh my, hindi naman.
Aminin mo na.
Hindi ko siya naisip ng gano'n noon na, uy, pwede to. Hindi naman, hindi ko naisip na gano'n. Parang, alam kong may good teamwork. May rapport. Parang gano'n.
Talaga ba? Yan
Pero
ah.
hindi, at that
Showbiz!
time, kasi madaming nangyayaring ano-ano. Hindi ko yun naisip noon. Pero parang may one time talaga na parang sabi ko,
Pwede.
ano to? Parang napaganon lang ako.
Nakaramdam siya.
Pero hindi ko na rin siya inisip.
Ano to, sa feelings mo, naramdaman mo?
Ano siya?
Ang ganda ng MJ, no?
Parang may time kasi na may ginagawa kaming task noon. Tapos basta bawal kami mag-usap nun eh. May time kasi na pinagbawalan kami.
Parang
lahat kayo.
doon mo siya na-miss, Alexa. Tama pa.
Tapos, yung dalawang group bawal usap, basta bawal mag-interact. Even mga indirect interaction bawal. Parang may one time lang na nandun kami sa isang activity area na may ginagawa kaming separate na group. May business kaming ginagawa, blah, blah, blah. Ayoko na ikwento, visit. Tapos,
Inumpisahan mo na, ang hirap mabitin ha. Matulog kang may tanong.
Dali!
basta yun, tapos, hindi kami nag-uusap. Basta parang nagtitinginan lang kami dalawa. Kasi nagtitinginan lang kami. Tapos ngumingiti-ngiti. Siyempre, nangingiti din ako.
So yun na yun!
Talagang nagtitinginan lang kami. Naalala ko nakahiga siya nun eh.
Namumula ka pag iniisip mo yun.
Kasi ito na-share kahit kailan. Na-share kahit kailan.
Ganda rin
So
MJ.
yun lang. Tapos yun lang, sabi sa isip ko nun, anong hindi ngiti-ngiti nito?
Oo.
Sa isip ko, ba't naman din ngumingiti din ako? Naman ngumingiti-ngiti din ako.
Kinikilig ako, gago.
What is the meaning of this? Pero hindi ko siya inisip after nun. Sabi ko, wala lang, cute moment lang siya nun.
Cute
Nung
moment.
time na yun. Na parang,
Yeah, love it. I love the term. Cute moment.
Parang nung moment na yun, kasi dahil hindi kami nag-usap ng matagal, sabi ko, ala, miss ko na tong taong to, hindi ko nakakausap. Eh, doon sa loob ng house, parang kami lang talaga yung talagang nagkakaintindihan lahat, ganyan.
True.
So, parang sabi ko, tapos nung time na yun, parang feeling ko din, ang lonely ko, hindi maganda yung nararamdaman ko. So, sabi ko, nung nagkatinginan lang kami, sabi ko, wala, nakakamiss din. Kahit nandito lang pala sila, nandito lang pala siya, pero hindi mo kasi makulat mo nga. Kahit ano. So, yun lang. So, sabi ko,
Kung ka na naghala, ano to?
oo, pero hindi ko siya initinap. Ang hinihintay nito. Yun lang. Tapos natawa na lang ako. Natawa-tawa
So,
lang
doon
ako.
nag-start.
Tapos nung time na hindi ko siya inisip, parang wala lang siya. Okay, tapos na.
Doon
Yun
pala
lang.
nag-start.
Tapos, syempre nung tumagal-tagal na, parang ngayon, pag naisip ko siya, ano kaya yun? Yung parang may ganun.
Chas! Malaki ka! What's that?
So, what's your reaction?
Ay,
Did you remember that moment I was talking about?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I remember.
We never talked about that.
I know we never talked about. Let's talk about it later.
Let's talk about it later.
We haven't talked about
Yung
it.
ano yun? Yung ano yun?
We have yet to discuss.
We have to discuss.
Ano yun?
What was that?
Anong
What was that?
pag-uusapan nila dyan?
Why are you smiling at me?
Why are you smiling at me, bro?
Why are you smiling at me, bro?
Yun yung
Why you
kinakanta
close
nila,
open, bro?
Alexa. Okay.
You want to close open?
Okay.
Bro, you are mabenta, you know?
Mabenta ba ako sa'yo?
You're mabenta to everyone, even the four-legged friends.
Four-legged girls.
Sa'yo, mabenta ba ako?
Ay?
Sold out ka sa akin.
Oh, sana all.
Ay, hindi pa po.
Ay, hindi pa po. Hindi pa po. May chance.
Mami.
Sino si Mami?
Kasi gusto ko tayong dalawa na eh.
Oh,
Wait lang po tayo.
gusto ko rin po. Gusto ko rin po. Oh my God, gusto niya rin pala. Uy, ang cute. This is so cute.
Look, it's mommy. Say hi to mama. Okay.
Look at the hello, smiling.
Hello.
Gwapo niya. Mana kay daddy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ay, napanood ko na pala
He's very good. And Cola is very sleepy like his mom.
Yeah, true.
Very sleepy. Cola always takes naps like his mom.
Yeah. Ay, tapos na! Tapos yung video natin. So yeah, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Uy, ang ganda ng mga video na to. Kung magsisend kayo guys, baka meron kayong mga ganito pa na yung tipong alam yung more on interview, tapos may mga background music. Gusto ko itong mga ganito kasi ang dami ko talagang na-miss. Sa totoo lang, kasi busy din tayo sa work, guys. Hindi tayo alam mo yung, makapag-focus sa TikTok and whatnot. So, maraming salamat sa mga nagsasend sa akin ng video. Thank you so much po sa mga nagsaslide sa DM. And then, ayun, maraming salamat. So, yeah, there you go, guys. That is our for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next new upload. Please follow me on my social media account as well, on Twitter, Instagram, at _Kdlex. This is Kdlex Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and see you in my next. Bye!